video I am going to show you how to fix any frozen screen, or if your phone is not responding for whatever reason. You want to hold the volume down and the Bixby button here, these two buttons here. You want to hold the volume down and the power button for your Note 9. So let's go ahead, volume down and the home button. You want to keep holding until you see the screen shut off. Then let's wait for the Samsung logo, and you release when you feel the vibration. And by doing this, your memory should be cleared. If you downloaded any recent third-party apps that may have caused your phone system to freeze up, then I suggest that you uninstall these apps. Just want you to bear in mind that this is a quick fix. Volume down, home button. This is a forced restart if your phone is not touching or if it is not responding. So this is how you can fix it, guys. This phone has a built-in battery, so we can't take the battery out and put it back in. So the forced restart is used to solve these issues. I hope that this was helpful. Do subscribe to my channel. I'm out and I'll see you soon.